Crypto Inspector, July 7-13, 2025, weekly recap. The crypto world erupted with bullish momentum this week. From Bitcoin hitting new highs to China taking a sharp turn towards stablecoins, here are the 10 biggest headlines you need to know, curated from CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and Reuters. Bitcoin hits new all-time high. Bitcoin shattered its previous records this week, surging past 118,000 on July 12. Bitcoin shattered its previous records this week, surging past 116,000 on July 10. According to CoinDesk, it posted a 4.3% jump in just 24 hours, while Asian markets tracked an even higher peak at 116,780 per Reuters. Behind the surge, massive inflows into Bitcoin ETFs, growing confidence from institutions, and renewed optimism as Donald Trump continues to voice strong support for crypto on the campaign trail. Hashdex analysts now say Bitcoin could reach 140,000 before the end of the year. Big corporates stack BTC. Corporate accumulation of Bitcoin is accelerating at lightning speed. MicroStrategy's 600,000 plus BTC holdings are just the beginning. New reports reveal 36 public companies are expected to add BTC to their balance sheets before the end of 2025. Blockware says corporate Bitcoin holdings have already grown by 120% this year alone. As economic uncertainty persists, Bitcoin is becoming the go-to treasury hedge even for non-crypto firms. Ethereum treasury adoption surges. Ethereum is proving it's not just a smart contract platform, it's a treasury-grade asset. On July 8, Nasdaq-listed BTCS announced a 100 million ETH buy, sending their stock price soaring 110% overnight. Ethereum itself jumped 5%, closing at 2,800. CoinDesk now refers to Ethereum as Digital Gold 2, citing its unique position as both a programmable asset and a long-term institutional hold. Solana rallies on ETF buzz. Solana is back in the spotlight, and this time it's ETF driven. BIT Mining announced a $300 million investment into SOL tokens, sparking a 250% surge in its own stock price. Meanwhile, Solana ETFs have seen 78 million in new inflows in just 1 week. Analysts now believe a spot Solana ETF approval is imminent, and traders are positioning accordingly. Bonk, Solana meme coin. Spikes meme coins aren't dead. Bonk provisit. The Solana-based meme token Bonk rose 9% on July 7, riding the wave of ETF speculation and renewed retail excitement. Bonk is becoming a proxy indicator for interest in the Solana ecosystem as institutional and social media energy align. XRP pops on whale action. XRP broke out with strength as whale activity ramped up. Large-scale wallet movements sent XRP soaring nearly 8% into the high 2.9s. Analysts are eyeing a breakout to 3.4 if current volumes persist. Despite regulatory uncertainties, confidence in Ripple remains firm, with Asia-Pacific markets leading the charge. Institutional ETH buying grows. Ethereum is entering serious institutional territory. Bit Digital, a major Bitcoin mining firm, announced it's reallocating part of its reserves into ETH, calling Ethereum digital gold. They've joined a growing list of firms diversifying into the asset. This signals a paradigm shift, not just in retail preference, but in corporate strategy. China talks yuan-backed stablecoin. This could be the biggest policy shift since China's crypto ban in 2021. Reuters reports that Shanghai regulators are in early-stage talks about launching a yuan-backed stablecoin. This would mark a massive pivot, one that suggests China is finally warming up to blockchain tech, albeit with tight controls. If greenlit, it could reshape the Asian stablecoin landscape. Crypto-friendly US policy expands. Capitol Hill is about to have its most crypto-focused week yet. Congress will soon debate stablecoin regulations, central bank digital currency limits, and broader crypto oversight. Trump-aligned lawmakers continue pushing a pro-crypto agenda, creating what analysts call the most favorable US policy environment for crypto in years. This could be the regulatory clarity investors have been waiting for. Bitcoin ETF inflows set records. Bitcoin ETFs are soaking up BTC supply like never before. With 50 billion in ETF inflows so far this year, supply on exchanges is hitting record lows. CoinDesk reports this illiquidity squeeze is one of the primary drivers behind Bitcoin's parabolic price action. Bitwise CIO Matt Hoogan is now predicting Bitcoin could hit 200,000 by year-end if current momentum holds. Final take from parabolic price action to global policy pivots and Wall Street buying frenzies this week confirmed one thing: crypto isn't just back, it's accelerating. And if these trends continue, we could be heading toward the biggest bull run of the decade. We'll be watching it all and bringing you the sharpest insights every week. Sources: CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, Reuters. Every story verified and curated from trusted crypto news outlets.